Hello guys. Hello guys, how are you? Um, Now I am here with a new topic, three secrets to successful insider trading in our channel cryptocurrency secrets revealed. So let's start. Hurry up, please. Okay, let's start. Um, Insiders will send signals. Investors who want to get in on insider trading can simply buy what the insiders are buying. There are plenty of lists of for insiders buys put out every, but those lists don't really tell you the full story. It is simply a bunch of names and numbers of shares. What's the real story behind the buy? As the editor of the Insider Traders portfolio, I have looked at hundreds of insider buys. Patterns emerge. Insiders often give out secret signals, but you have to know what to look for. Uh, Three secrets, which is the first thing is that the lawyer indicator. The general counsel or senior counsel at some companies is the company's top lawyer and it's considered part of management. Being a lawyer myself, I can tell you that lawyers are in general risk averse. Sorry, liars. Therefore, when it comes to buying company stock, they usually err on the side of caution. They rarely buy shares on the open market unless they are seeing something that is really great at their company. If you see the general counsel buying, there is a strong secret signal. I call it the lawyer indicator buy when the lawyers are buying. Okay, by then there are cluster trades. The insider buys that get the most publicity are the famous SEOs who buy for example $1 million worth of shares or more in one massive buy. While these big buys are great and can mean something exciting is going on at company, I look for the complete opposite. I look for the cluster trades where a group of insiders are all buying at the same time. That means, for example, there may be three directors, the general counsel, and the vice president of marketing, all buying smaller amounts of shares, but all deciding to do so around the same time. This type of cluster buying is rare than one big buy by the CEO and sends a powerful signal. What do they all know? Buy if insiders are jumping in for the first time. For the first time, there are some insiders who buy company shares on the open market several times a year. Some of the senior insiders, like the CEO and CFO, are usually paid at a higher level than the other senior management, and buying company shares is not much of a hardship. But for the other senior management lower down the chain, like the general counsel or the head of human resources, among others, there may be a different calculation when deciding to buy that $10,000 worth of stock. It is not unusual to see insiders who have not bought shares in many years, if ever, deciding to buy some shares. The insider who has never bought shares before but is now sends a strong signal. I am not talking about someone who is new at the company. This would be an insider who has worked at the company of several years and only now has decided to jump in. What does that insider know that is different from prior years? Why are they buying now? Anyone can go to the SEC website and get the insider trading information for a company, but it's time consuming to literally search through hundreds of individual companies. Some investment firms collect the insider buying data and can provide it you in weekly list. Have you ever seen one of those lists? The sheer number of companies can be overwhelming. To solve this problem, our ZAG's research team developed a strategy that monitors selected insider buying activity at companies that already show strong earnings and excellent valuations. We do the work of shifting through all the insider buys to find very best. Just a handful of stocks meet the demanding criteria of ZAG's insider traders. Right now, we have narrowed it down to 10 insider buy that make the grade. Right now, we are narrowed down to 10 insiders that make the grade. One recent move was from a CEO who for the first time bought his own money, $238, onto its company stock. This was despite having already received over $7 billion worth of the stock as part of the compensation, yet another compelling signal. Our strategy indicates that it's time to follow the CEO and load up on shares. Today, you are welcome to see that stock and other selected insider trades with exceptional gain potential. Start now and as add bonus, you may download our latest special report 7 best stocks for the next 30 days free of charge. Thank you so much for watching this video. Hopefully it will be beneficial for you.